Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to make a microservice with Node.js and we are going to mount it in a Docker container. I hope you enjoy it and let's do it. So the first thing we need to do here is to create a Node.js project. First of all, we need to set a description, microservice with Node.js and Docker. Then the entry point, it will be app.js. This command no keywords Node.js, Docker Express, and Docker. Enjoyable programming. Nothing and yes. So after that we need to install the packages that we need, Express and course. So that's all. We need to open a Visual Studio Code. Yeah, we have it. There are the two packages that I installed. We need to add app.js, and then we need to import the Express package. The Express package will give to us the server, so we need to create the course to have this package in the module. We need the path to know where is our path. Then we need to bring JSON, a URL encoded. This one we will use this to the server. And we need to create the server or the application. In this case, its name is app. Then we need to set a port. We will use an environment variable or 8080. Then we need to set the course option. In this case, we have origin all and option success status 200. That's all the course options. This is to get all the origins, and we need to use these options with the course. Then we need to set our first path. In this case, it will be slash. We need a function, an arrow function in this case, and we are sending this text. Okay, then we need to run the server. So we need to set the port that we are setting, and we need to make an arrow function only to console log that the server are running. So that's all we have running our server. We are going to send this when someone target this path. Let's run it. It's running right now, so let's make a request. In this case, it's a get request. And there you are, you have the response. This response is right there. As you can see, I need to refresh. I'm using NodeDemon to refresh automatically when I made a change in the code. So as you can see, I will change the path and it is there. Right there. If I call the other path, I got an error because it doesn't exist. I will change again. It's refreshed, and right there. As you can see, NodeDemon is a good way to program this. Next, I will use a router to get more paths. In this case, I will use the router from Express. So I will target the index router, that is our master router. I will create it right now. A folder for HTMLs and a folder routes. Right here, I need an index.js that will be the master of the routes. So first of all, I need to import our router from Express, router. Then I need to create our first route, but after we need to import the file with that route. Router use, and then the routes. Hello route. That's all. We need to export this to get access to that. That's all, and it is working right now. It's the only thing we need in the index.js. As you can see, we have that code. We need to create the hello.js, and right here we are setting our routes. So we need to import the Express router. Then we need to put a route. In this case, it will be slash, and we need to set a method. So with get method, we created this path. So it will be hello slash to access to that route, as you can see. Then we need to do all the things that we want to do in that endpoint. So in this case, I will only send a hello. We need to a request and a response. So we have access to the query. That's all. I need the name in that query. And that's all. So let's send the JSON. In this case, I will send a JSON only with that message. You can see there are a lot of methods. In this case, I'm only returning the JSON. And that's all. We are sending the message. We have the router. We have the Express. Let's put the JSON because we need to use a JSON as a response, and the URL encode. Here we need to extend false, and that's all. So let's check if it's work. Right here, we need to export this because I forgot. And that's all. Let's check if it works. Let's run it. It's running right now. Okay, we have the first path. Now we need to target the hello. And there you are. We need to set a query param, in this case name. And there you have. We have right now our first endpoint, a get method. Then I need to set another path. It will be the same but with a parameter. It is a get. We need a rec and res. I will create a switch. In this one, I'm returning the message, but in different language. As you can see here, I'm using a query param. but I want to use a param. So the case in Spanish, I will return hola mundo. Then break, default, and message. Now English, hello world, and French, bonjour monde. Hello world. Response, we are responding with the message, and that's all. Let's check. It's running right now. English. Oh, that's the message. Spanish, hola mundo, French. Oh, okay, I forgot. Okay, French, bonjour monde. Other, hello world. And that's all. We are using the params for the path. Then we need to make a post request. So we need a route. It will be the same route. And a post method. In this case, we need the rec and res message with all the information that we can have from the body. Name or world. Okay, so if we don't have a body.name, we put the world. Let's return this. That's all. And we have our post method. Let's check it out. It is not a get, it is a post. Okay, let's set a body. Name, enjoyable programming. Okay, set the path. It is hello and slash. You have right there, we are making the post request with a body, and yeah, we are returning that message. Let's check if I make a addition from A. Let's return the result. Plus B. That's all. Let's check. A 10, B 10. And there you have response with 20. Let's change something right here to check if it works. And there you have, we're adding the two numbers. Okay, so next thing, we need to check how to return an HTML from this. Let's create our HTML file, title Docker and NodeJs with Express. Then we need a header. I love Docker and Express and Node.js. That's all we need. So let's make another path right here. App use slash home or function, and let's only return send file path.join. This is the package to find the path that we are using. So we need the directory name, and then source HTML and index HTML. That's all we need to make the server for that web page. And there you have, you can preview. So we have finished our microservice. Let's create the Dockerfile, and then step 1, get node image from Dockerhub. From Node, we need to use the 12 and Alpine. Alpine is a little distro to make images in Docker. So let's create a work dir, user source app. Then let's copy the package JSON and the package log JSON to that folder. This package JSON contains all the packages that we need to install to make work. And we need to run npm install to install all the dependencies that we need to run our project. In this case is course and express. Then we need to copy all the node modules that it will create to the folder. And we need to expose a port. In this case is 8080, is the same port that we are using right there. Okay, and then we need to make the command node and app.js. And that's all for the Dockerfile. Let's build our Docker. As you can see, the server are running right now. It is working. So right now it's not working. Let's finish this. Let's build the Dockerfile. So docker build -t. -t is for tag. We are tagging our Docker. And the dot is for all. So it is downloading all the stuff that we need. Then we need to run our container. There are our two images, Docker node and node. 12 Alpine, 9 seconds ago we create that image. Let's run it. So -p is for the port. Remember, we need a port and the port that we are exposing. As you can see, 8080 is the exposed port and 3000 is the gate that we are accessing the other. -d is for the running in the background, and name, we are assigning a name for that container. We need the image for the container, and right now is running. Let's check it out. It's running. As you can see, we have the ID right there. So right now it is working fine. Let's check. It is running. We have the memory usage, the CPU usage, and the gateway to access our container. This is the microservice. So we can access home. It is the message. Let's make a request right here. And there you have, we are returning now the Hola Mundo, hello world, and let's check. It's running. Let's stop the container right there. Now it's not working. Let's run it again. Okay, I have the same name, so let's refresh, not working. Let's run it again, and it is working right now. Right there, you have the message. Now we need to delete our container. So let's stop it, and there are not container running right now, but there is our container. So let's delete it. Right now we don't have any container. There is no container running. And let's delete our images with the image ID. That's all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it a lot and you learned a lot. If you have any comments or any subject that you want we make a video, please make it in the comment section, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.